Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. I've been having some techie issues a little bit, but I think I have resolved them. I think, I hope, I think, and I hope. Let's see. Yeah, it should be good now. Good morning, Trenches. Good morning, Diego. How are you guys this morning? Yeah, I should be good now. That was pretty annoying. Good morning. Open trade didn't work today. Mega volatility. I last night I think that my computer updated on its own while my NinjaTrader was still open and I hadn't saved my settings or something. But I opened up my charts a couple of times last night and I thought that I don't know, it's like my settings just reverted or something very weird. I don't know. And then it's kind of taken forever to load up again. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just because of the volatility or something. I'm not sure. You was $60 for being above the safety net. How far are you now? From 2 a.m. to 5:30. Green daily gold. Period. Congratulations. Nice. Have you been trading London lately, Trenches? All right, yeah, I think I'm good. I think I am. 3 days this week I have, and how are you liking it so far? Yeah, see, all of my freaking, it's just so annoying. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? About 360 now. Each loss on the opening trade is 300. Yeah, at least it's controlled. Yeah, you'll be able to get that back. You will be able to get that back. I think I'm gonna forego counter trend divergence today. I've never really been the biggest fan of doing it on Fridays anyway, just because Fridays can be pretty trendy. So I'm gonna forego that today. My only red day was regular market hours. Well, there's a lot of people that's been enjoying trading the overnight session. Basically anything really pre-market, but typically overnight. There's a lot of people that's been like that. They've been just talking about how much better the market moves during that time and stuff. 2 to 3 minutes before. Price was moving 50 to 60 ticks in a heartbeat. Representing a day like this, I'll just skip. Weekend is here at least. Exactly. Yeah, that might, well, or maybe if there's something that can show you kind of what the volatility is looking like pre-market, whether it's the ATR. I know a lot of people do the ATR, but they'll do like literally an average true range. Usually they'll just use the default setting of 14. My ATR on my charts, I just have it on 1 because I legit just want to see what the market is doing in real time. I don't want it to be like an average, if that makes sense. So that might be something that you kind of add to your repertoire. Some probiotic, the real stuff, yoga early. Uh-oh. You're regretting it. Uh-oh. Green and done for the day. Already 1 million. Nice. Nice. I almost just said to hell with it when I was having my issues this morning, but I already took 2 days off this week, so I'm trying to thug it out. Okay, I'm trying to thug it out. And there's no news today, right? Nope. Nope. Like, this is kind of insanity. Kind of, sort of. And I try to be patient, but these moves are a little drastic. Just a tad. And I just gotta keep telling myself, just no counter trend trading today. I mean, look at that 5-minute bar. Oh, you know what? I just thought about it. Yeah, see, this thing just... I missed the buy right there. Missed that buy. I wonder why this does this sometimes. Where's the actual... I don't know why the close is... So the Ninja order flow indicator has yesterday's close like, I don't know, 12 points below where it actually was. And I genuinely don't know why it does that. I will say, I'm starting to feel a little bit more energized. It's been, I think, about a week since I stopped taking my supplements. Yeah, I'm starting to feel a little bit more energized. Now I just have to fix my sleep schedule back because I have so little energy during the day that, like, yesterday I pretty much slept, I don't know, the majority of the day. Like, seriously. Every time I woke up, it was just because somebody was calling me, which was getting on my nerves. But I also didn't want to sleep all day, so, but 60, 93. Yeah, I feel like most of my energy levels are back now, which is nice. I hate feeling tired all the time. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It's gonna say turn it off. Oh, my neck. All right, so we recovered that. All right, we got some data lag in here. I really hate that I have to pay so much attention to my data lag all the time. Like, I don't know. Why is this doing this? I might just have to get off of here. Like, I can't really safely trade if I have to keep constantly looking at, like, my data lag is 18, 19 seconds right now. And the thing that's really trash about it is it's obviously this indicator. Let's start there. When I was using the Ninja order flow indicator, I never had this issue. But the problem is the Ninja indicator doesn't come with the footprint summary table or like the delta statistics. The only thing that it does is, you know, give me the delta, but that's about it. My data lag is still high. As a scalper, I can't trade that way. She opened a Roth our trenches, please. Not the Roth IMRA. Could I be her advisor? Would that be too much? You still love that woman. Go ahead and do it. Look at the bright side. It'll be left to y'all's daughter. It's not so today. Even a 5-minute ATR is 75 right now. Yeah, I might just have to say to hell with it. If I see another spike before like 9:15, I'm just gonna call it, because I don't, what I'm afraid of is I look down, I see my data lag's good, I confirm that I can get into the trade. I click the button. I don't look back at my data lag because it's just fine. It seems fine. And then I noticed that, hey, I tried to get into the trade and I'm 16 seconds behind or something like that. That's going to really piss me off. So I might just have to call it. I might just have to. Wait, is this 5-minute candle 100 points? Yeah. 93, 88, 73, 108, 99.75. Yeah, that's a little crazy. Oh, there's the next spike. Okay, that one didn't last long. Well, y'all know I don't really like trading near new highs and lows right now anyway, so I'm just gonna chill. Until we create some downward structure. So this right here is the ATR. Down at the bottom, the blue line. It's kind of faint, but that's the ATR. Set on 1 though. So set on 1 just to, you know, see the volatility of the current bar kind of thing. 861. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yesterday I made us some duck wings. We had bought like, I think 3 packs of them. So about 3 pounds of them from the market over the weekend. And all I did was poured a little olive oil on them, a little honey, just a tad, just to make everything kind of stick to it really, really well. Then I seasoned it with a little parsley, some minced onion, Tabitha Brown seasoning that has the pineapple, mango, and some other stuff in there. I used a little Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. And there's another one that I just started using. It's like I forget what it's called. And it was something else I put on there. Something else that was salt-free. I mainly use salt-free seasonings. But anyway, and then I put it in the Instant Pot with some unsalted beef broth and unsalted beef broth and onions and peppers, and I cooked it for like an hour and 30 minutes, and when I tell y'all, it was so good. So my grandma was about to clean up the kitchen or whatever because they ate after I did, and so my mom was like, no, it's okay, I got it. Come to find out, she did that because she wanted to save the broth juice. She told my girl, all I can think about is I'm about to cook some chicken in a couple of days, so I'm about to go ahead and freeze that, and we're gonna go ahead and use that broth. I'm like, okay. It was so good. Oh, there's another day lag. That wasn't bad, but it was so good. Good morning, Pred. How are you this morning? Got the roast duck from Costco. I need to remember to eat that next week. I just love duck. I've always really, really loved duck. When I made my for Thanksgiving, since I was the only one here, I can't even get into trades. It's just, look, there's a spike again. So fucking annoying. I think I'm just gonna be done. I wanted to get into this trade right here, this sell, but look at my data lag. And I would have been filled too, but what can I do? This was the inside of it. That's like the most traditional pullback entry. I don't even have to look down at my cheat sheet. I know that I get into it. That's about to piss me off. 4 seconds, 4.3. We're counting up. Yeah, I'm done. I'm not going to deal with this. I do need to email them though, because I understand that your indicator pulls in or displays more data than the other one that I use, but there's no reason for me to continue having data lag spikes. It's very annoying. To make fries and duck fat, that stuff is so good. Hell yes. I've been loving places that have been doing fries and beef tallow too. Oh, duck fat, beef tallow, all that stuff is just so good. And I don't even really eat a lot of fried foods like that. But when I do, when I do, it was just funny to me when she said that, because when I cooked some duck wings for myself last week, they had roast and they put it in the Instant Pot. So I was like, hey, don't drain that juice. So I cooked my duck wings and the beef broth that was from the roast, and it was so good. So freaking good. Yeah, there's another lag spike. Yeah, I'm done. This is just so freaking frustrating. I get that the volatility is higher, but I just don't deal with these issues with the other indicator. I just don't. So I'm gonna have to email him and ask him, because the support guy that's not a coder, he was the one who was trying to tell me, oh, use the settings out of the box. And okay, first of all, I didn't pay over $400 for an indicator that I have to use it on out of the box settings when you give me the ability to customize the settings. That sounds crazy. Make it make sense. But I'm gonna have to ask him to look at my template again and tell me, like, okay, when there's volatility, what's going on? Because if it's something as simple as like, oh, because well, no, that shouldn't be a thing. But I was gonna say, if it's something like the customized colors, or something like that, cool, I can change that. But I mean, there's so many options for, the bar statistics that show, the footprint summary table that show. There's so many different options that you're not going to sit here and tell me that it's some setting that I have that you have available for me to use that's causing an issue. I don't know. It just doesn't seem right. I'm trying to see if we go hit the new highs, I'm really gonna be done. I was trying to see if I can get like just a little quick, little decent pullback. No. Lag again. And it's counting up. Yeah, I'm out of here. Trump is speaking right now. Oh. Yeah, this is just... And the worst part is it's not untradeable because of the volatility. It's just untradeable because my lag is going to keep spiking over and over and over and over. That's the biggest issue. Good red morning. Good morning, Janelle. Red in your portfolio or from your trading overnight? did the volatility get you on gold, or is gold just as volatile as the indices this morning? I'm trying not to just give up and go about my business. I really want to try to get a trade in, but once we reach new highs, that's gonna be it for me though. If we go up there, I'm really trying to thug it out, guys. I am. Didn't take any. Oh, looking at the market downturn today. Well, I've had a couple trades that I wanted to get into, but every time I'm about to get into a trade, my data lag is spiking. So, and because I've already taken 2 days off this week, I'm really trying to let's take one trade. But might not be able to. It's my pullback. Yes, data lag again. I've been dealing with it all morning. I was about to get into a trade, look down, 16-second data lag. The other time I was about to get into the trade, look down, it's like I think it was a 12-second data lag. Like I legit just, the shit just can't get right. Just can't get right. And it's very fucking annoying. But yeah, I understand that the market was pretty volatile. Like these two 5-minute bars were both over 100 points. Well, actually, I think one was almost 100 points. But either way, I shouldn't be dealing with that kind of lag. So, yeah. Because on the other order flow indicator, I don't get a lag. This one spits out more data, more customization, you know, has the footprint summary chart, all that good stuff. And that's great and that's amazing. But it should be able to handle volatility. And right now, it's not. It's not. One of your brokerages is down by 12% just for today. Mm. Down 4% yesterday. Now this is the one that you were is this the one that you were talking about liquidating some of the stocks in? All right, looks like we're trying to break out of the barcode. And there's the next data lag. Motherfucker. Yeah, I'm done. All right, you guys. This is super frustrating, and now we're hitting new highs anyway. As soon as we start coming down here, who knows? But I can't keep micromanaging the data lag and paying attention to all the things I have to pay attention to prior to getting into trades. It's too much for my brain. And I also feel like I pay so much money for this indicator, I shouldn't be having these motherfucking problems. So I'm gonna go start my weekend. I'm not even gonna journal today's session whatsoever, because today is just such a wash, if that makes sense. I might end up journaling it later at a later date or something, but I think also I do this weekend. I want to go through and look at all of the counter trend trades that I have in my analysis sheet that were on Fridays, because I might have to go back to not trading counter trend divergence on Fridays. Look, the data lag's increasing again. Why is this a thing? Why? 10 seconds, 11. Why is this an issue again? Your indicator should be able to handle volatility. This is driving me insane. Like, bro. And I guarantee you, if I take this indicator off, because my other order flow indicator is on as well. That's how you see the like yesterday's point of control and shit like that. If I was to take this indicator off and only have the other one, I wouldn't have this issue. I'm over it. Trying to liquidate the small brokerage. Stop placing trades in the larger brokerage just to let it grow. Yeah, that way you can recover it. I'll tell you about Jigsaw. Yeah, please do. I'm gonna check into Discord a little bit later, because I'm so irritated. I just want to like turn off everything and just be completely disconnected from the world. Very annoyed. If it's one thing that really pisses me off is when I have issues that are out of my control, like not everyday life issues. That stuff doesn't bother me as much. Life is life. But stuff like tech issues and stuff like that, it's like, bro, if I would have created this and had the code for it, even if I was just able to pay someone else to figure out what the fuck is causing a problem, that's better than dealing. Look at this. The data lag's going up again. Okay, as a scalper who's in trades for less than 5 seconds the majority of the time, I legit can't afford for data lag spikes to be going up like that. I can't. Very annoying. See you guys. See you, Janelle. But yeah, I thank you guys for tuning in. Sorry I couldn't trade today. This shit is whack. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna reach out to the developer and put in a ticket. I'll let you guys know what they say. Hopefully this is something that'll only happen on super duper volatile days, and that super duper volatile days won't be an issue very often, because I mean, I think they gave me this version of the indicator about a month ago, and I haven't had any issues. Today is the first, well, yeah, I haven't had any issues. But I think today is the first day that we've had this level of volatility. So I'll have to reach out to him and see, and then I'll let you guys know what they say. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning at 9 a.m. 9 a.m., 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend. Be safe. I'll see you guys Monday. Bye.